Hello, friends. Today we will learn about different feelings. Let's say them together. Excited, angry, anxious, sad, happy, proud, frustrated, jealous, excited. I feel excited when I go to the park. Angry. It's okay to feel angry. I can take a deep breath. Anxious. When I feel worried, Mommy hug makes me feel better. Sad. I feel sad when I lose my balloon. Papa hug makes me feel better. Happy. I feel happy when I play with my friends. Yay! So much fun. Proud. I feel proud when I learn something new. Frustrated. I feel frustrated when I can't do it. I try again. That makes me strong. Jealous. I feel jealous when I am not number one. But I remember I'm special too. Feelings are normal. We all have them. Let's say, I can feel, I can share, and I can care. Good job, friends. See you soon. Take care.